In this video, we'll talk about the main controls and features on the latest 2026 𝗚𝗚𝘁 motorhome cab. So we'll start off with the seats. So it's fitted with captain's chairs. We have armrests either side with adjusters at the bottom of the armrest here. Now, as I'm sure many of you know, being captain's chair, these swivel around into the lounge, giving you a really large lounging area. But when it's ready to drive, they must be secured forwards and make sure they click into place. So next you have to adjust your position so you're comfortable when driving. So we can slide it forwards and back. We can adjust the tilt of the back seat, obviously forwards and backwards. And also you can adjust it so it's higher or lower, just so you're right for those longer journeys. So with your seating position correct, we now look at the mirrors. So to adjust those, foot on the brake, ignition on, don't need to start the engine. Then we have a control just to the right of me here. We can select the left mirror or the right mirror. Now, using the right mirror as an example, I tend to set it so I can see a third or a quarter of the motorhome in the left-hand portion of the mirror. That gives me really good visibility behind. And also we've got a blind spot mirror here as well. Again, same with that, probably a third of the motorhome, and just make sure that it's elevated enough so that you can see if any cars are caught in your blind spot there. Right, so with the ignition still on, let's look at this 10-inch infotainment system up front. Touchscreen, colour display, has everything you need. FM, DAB radio, Apple or Android connectivity, built-in sat-nav as well. And importantly, when you arrive on site or you go to the supermarket, there's a lovely big display for the reversing camera here. Again, full colour, you can see exactly what you're doing. So now I'll just run through how to connect your phone for the first time. Obviously you won't need to do this every time, but if this vehicle's new to you, press the phone icon at the bottom and it asks you if you want to pair a phone. Press yes. Search for Bluetooth devices. Now make sure my Bluetooth's on my phone. There we go, it's got Lee's phone there. I'll press that. And now it should then connect to my phone. There we go. It's asked me for the PIN code, allow, yes, yes. And now connection is in progress. There we go, right, we're in. You know, it's as simple as that. And then from there, you can play, well, you can play whatever music you like, whether you're on Spotify, you can use your Waze apps, Google Maps, whatever you like. Now, I could regret this, but let's go on Spotify and see what it's going to bring up for me. Thankfully, I've got no signal, so there's going to be no 80s tunes on this particular video, but that is how to connect your phone. So let's talk about the driver aids on this Peugeot cab. So we have heated door mirrors, great on a frosty day, automatic headlights, electric windows, we have climate air conditioning and cruise control. So just a few notes from me before you set off on your journey. Make sure the captain's chair's facing forwards and they're in the locked position. If you're traveling with passengers, that they're sat in their travel seats and they have their seatbelts on. Anything you're carrying is secure. Any roof lights or skylights are closed. It's worth doing a quick walk round as well while you're looking at the roof lights and skylights to make sure your windows are fastened and any external locker doors. And if your motorhome or camper van does have an external step, just make sure it's fully retracted.